Get it off. I'll help. Okay, Ribbit. Go ahead. Yeah, from Daddy. Okay, here.
What is it, Tyler?
Whoa! What is it? Can you open this side?
Stand it up.
Whoa! What is it?
Hey, is that your basketball hoop?
Tyler. What? Where are you going? Tyler.
He's leaving.
Tyler, why are you closing the door?
Hey, come see your basketball hoop. Yeah?
Yeah, all the paper. What do you have? The coffee?
You like the coffee, huh?
And the tree? Be careful with the tree. Be gentle. Whoa. You smell nice? Smell nice? Whoop! You wanna open
Hey, is that your favorite gift? The coffee? Yeah, let's open the gift.
Oh! Yeah, open this one.
I like that one.
What is it? What is this? Yeah. Merry Christmas, Tyler.
Hey,
Careful with the tree.
come here. Here's his favorite gift. Starbucks coffee. Tyler, say bye.
Say bye.
Hey, say bye.
Merry Christmas.